Hi guys! Oops! Hi guys! My name is Kim and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to do a get ready with me makeup look for going to work. Ito yung makeup look na ginagawa ko every time na hindi ako tinatamad na mag-makeup sa sarili ko papunta sa work ko. And then, para po sa mga bago, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na i-click yung red button down below saka yung kampana para palagi kayong ma-notify sa lahat ng mga video na gagawin ko. And announcement pala guys, to those who are asking about the giveaway po is sa 26 ko po siya gagawin live, bubunutin ng alas 8 or alas 9 ng gabi kasi medyo yung dalawang natin, medyo busy pa yung dalawang sponsor natin, so I'm just waiting for them kung kailan. So guys, now sundan nyo po muna ako sa aking gagawin na get ready with me makeup look tutorial. First is, I am going to use my primer. This one. It is from Maybelline Face Studio Prime. I know that you've been saying me using this, but I don't change any of my primer at the moment. So, guys, this is my favorite. Since it is only a simple makeup, I am going to use my Dior Dream Skin Moist Perfect Cushion foundation. I like this one. It's very lightweight, not very heavy, but I'm not sure. The coverage is not that good, but I think if you put a little bit of highlighter or any concealer, I think it will be good. This one is very expensive, guys. Hirap talaga guys pag mga tao na akala mo is mas malaki nga sila sa akin, pero my God, talking about respect, they don't even know. I don't think they understand that word. Kasi if they have respect, they should not do that to other people. Kakapal ng mukha ba? Respeto. My God, I have high respect of them, but they don't see that for themselves. Sila yung mga walang respeto sa akin. Humuhugot na naman ako habang naglalagay ng Yes, kasi nasaktan ako. And course pa doon, wala kasi akong ginagawa sa kanila guys. Kaya parang ako. Hindi ko maintindihan. But never mind. The problem with this foundation guys is that it's only very light coverage, hindi siya talaga na pang full coverage. So kaya ko to ginagamit pag work. Kasi lang siya, tawag nito, simple lang siya. Hindi naman natin kailangan pumunta sa work ng maraming makeup, diba? And next, I'm just going to highlight some areas of my face because like what I've said guys, I don't have a good sleep for the past few days. And medyo yung face lock natin, may mga ang laki ng eye bags, kung ano-ano na lang. This is the highlighter from YSL and it's called the Toshi Cloth. I'm not gonna tell you the details about this highlighter because you know that I've been using this many times on a lot of my video. Yan. Now, I'm going to do my eyebrow. Sa aking eyebrow, guys, hirap na hirap ako. So, please, intindihin nyo na lang po ako. Kasi I'm not that perfect and I'm not a makeup artist. I'm only a vlogger na gusto lang na mag-share kung ano yung gusto ko. It's my own way of doing my makeup. So if you guys notice that my eyebrow is not good, please I do apologize na lang, okay? For my eyebrow, guys, like what I've said, I'm always using the brow pencil, micro pencil from Maybelline, and it's the shade medium brown, I think. Yes, I know, soft brown, this one here. My eyebrow, guys, marami pa siyang mga buhok-buhok kasi hindi ako nakapag-trim at hindi ako nakapaglinis, and bahala na. Ito pa, guys, ha. Kung mambubuli man sila, guys, sinasabihan pa nila ako na pangit ako. O, kasi hindi sila na maganda. Kasi naman maganda sila. Ito niya na, hindi na naman pantay yung kilay ko. I really need to do a lot of, oras para sa kilay ko kasi hindi na naman siya pantay, but never mind. Yan. After I've done my brow, maglalagay naman tayo ng ating eyeshadow. Ang eyeshadow natin, guys, is hindi siya masyadong sobrang dark. Lighter lang tayo, sa nude lang kasi ano lang to makeup, ano lang to pang-work lang to So, ang gamit ko na palette, guys, is yung from My Cherry from L'Oreal. Ayan. So, what I'm going to use is my, I'm going to do the highlighter first, this one here. Then I'm going to use this shade here, and it's called the Apricot Ambrosia, this one here, as the base of my shadow. Ito yung pang transition ko, para may effect, kumbaga. And then I am going to use the Sweet Cherry, this color here, on the crest of my shadow, just right here. And then, guys, I'm gonna put some eyeliner. I'm using the Curvitude eyeliner from Maybelline, New York. Then I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. For my lashes, I am going to use my Eyeshadow Maximizer 3D Base Mascara Lash Primer. I really love this one, guys, kasi worth it siya kahit mahal. And then for my mascara, I'm going to use my Pump and Volume Eyeshadow mascara. For my lips, guys, I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink in shade Inspirer. And I think it's the 125, this one here. So, ayan na guys, tapos na ang ating Get Ready With Me makeup